Turning now to the trial of Noor Salman. The long process of jury selection is nearing the end. Right now, 57 prospective jurors are in the pool. That's before 12 and 6 alternates will ultimately be chosen. News 6's Nadine Yanis joins us live from the federal courthouse with more. And Nadine, I understand Salman's family is there. In fact, you just spoke to them. What did they say?
I did, Justin. They are here from California, and they say they would not be here if they did not think Noor Salman was innocent. They did say they wanted to be here as jury selection wrapped up today, but there's movement happening outside of the courtroom today in this trial. The prosecution still pushing to get certain evidence in from the night of the Pulse attack, just a couple days before opening statements.
Expected it.
Salman's defense attorney, who's taken the lead during jury selection, walked into court this morning saying she's not surprised the government is still fighting to get evidence from the Pulse attack in just 2 days before opening statements. It came down in this motion filed yesterday afternoon. The government's prosecution hoping to get 2 911 calls from victims who were shot into the trial. They're also hoping to admit a 90-minute audio recording taken on a victim's cell phone who was held hostage in the bathroom. On it are conversations Mateen had with victims trying to take away their cell phones and play acting like other people were involved in the attack when FBI said it was all just a one-sided conversation. The transcripts show, the government says, Mateen's continued campaign of terror. However, back in February, the defense said these calls and recordings shouldn't be played in front of a jury. In a hearing, Salman's other defense attorney, Charles Swift, said Mateen isn't the one on trial here. The judge has not ruled on this motion yet. He first wants to seat a jury. And today, for the final day of jury selection, Salman's family from California wanted to be here.
We know she's innocent, and there's nothing changed on us, because if we knew something was she's involved in any, we won't be here.
And so it was the first time that we saw Salman's family here in Florida, again from California. Today, jury selection wraps up. Justin, like you said, we are at 57 in the jury pool. The goal is to get that number down to 12 with 6 alternates by the end of the day today. Both sides will have several strikes on who they want or not want to be sitting on this jury when opening statements begin on Wednesday. Back to you.
Nadine Yanis live for us. Thank you. And we have full coverage with everything you need to know about this trial on our website, including what to expect and some background on the defendant. It's all on clickorlando.com/Noor Salman trial. We also have a Twitter account dedicated to live tweeting this trial. You can find those updates on twitter.com/News 6 Pulse trial. And